Are you tired of waging war against dust bunnies and crumbs that seem to multiply when you're not looking? Welcome to the battlefield of cleanliness, where the right vacuum cleaner can be your trusty sidekick. In this guide, we'll sift through the clutter of options to unveil the best vacuum cleaners that not only promise to suck up dirt, but also bring a smile to your face while doing it. Let's dive in and discover your new cleaning companion. Your floors will thank you. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Shark NV352 Navigator Liftaway, our pick for best budget vacuum cleaner. If you're on the lookout for a cleaning sidekick that won't drain your wallet, bagless upright vacuums could just be your new best buddy. Think of them as the Swiss Army knives of home cleaning. They're always ready to spring into action, whether it's eradicating pesky pet hair or launching a full-scale operation against rogue cereal spills on carpets, hardwood, and everything in between. One of the sweetest perks? Say adios to that endless cycle of buying replacement bags. With these bagless champions, you'll enjoy low maintenance while pocketing your hard-earned cash. Many of these reliable vacuums come equipped with reusable filters and washable parts, allowing them to serve you dutifully for 5 years or even longer without breaking a sweat, or your bank account. And guess what? If you're in the market for a dependable vacuum that won't cost you an arm and a leg, bagless uprights are where it's at. They pack quite the punch against everyday messes, leaving you free to focus on the more essential stuff, like binge-watching your favorite shows in peace. But hold up! If you're battling allergies that turn you into a sneezy mess, or if your delicate floors demand a little extra TLC, consider checking out specialized models tailored just for you. Happy cleaning, champion! Your spotless floors await. Number 4. Bissell's 2252 Cleanview Swivel, our pick for best upright vacuum cleaner. If you're on the hunt for a vacuum that can keep up with your furry friends while still making your home sparkle, meet your new best buddy, the Bissell Cleanview Swivel Pet Vacuum. This vacuum isn't just built for battle, it's your secret weapon against the relentless onslaught of pet hair and the occasional crumb invasion. With its large square cleaner head and powerful brush roll, it tackles everything from sneaky kibble to the most stubborn fluff that seems to cling to carpets like a clingy ex. Plus, with 5 height settings, you can easily adjust for carpets and hard floors without breaking a sweat. Just a simple bend and voila! Using the Cleanview is a walk in the park. A quick tap of the foot lever brings it to life, and its nifty foot pedal allows you to swivel and tilt around corners like a pro. The bottom emptying dustbin means you can say goodbye to embarrassing messes and direct contact with dirt. Thank you very much. And let's not forget about those handy attachments that are always on standby. With a 6-foot hose ready to conquer tight spaces and upholstery, you're always equipped to tackle any cleaning mission. With the Bissell Cleanview Swivel Pet Vacuum by your side, your home will be a tidy haven, no furball left behind. Still searching for the perfect vacuum cleaner? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified. When we drop new videos, you won't regret it. Regret. Number 3. iRobot Roomba J9+, our pick for best robot vacuum cleaner. If you're tired of playing the relentless game of hide-and-seek with dirt, the iRobot Roomba J9+ is here to save the day. No cape required. Equipped with advanced dirt detection and a knack for dodging obstacles like that stray turtle toy your dog left behind, this little wonder boasts an auto-empty base that begs you to set it and forget it. With its keen sensors and cameras, it smoothly transitions from carpet to hard floor, adjusting suction power like a seasoned cleaning connoisseur. From stubborn dog hair to those elusive fine crumbs, it tackles the mess in just a pass or two. It might even take out that stray flour you spilled during your last culinary adventure. You've got the power, literally, in the palm of your hand with the app. Schedule cleanings, map out no-go zones, and inspect the robot's prowess as it snaps photos of obstacles it encounters. However, don't be too surprised if it shows a little hesitation around fancy fringed area rugs. And let's talk about that auto-empty dustbin. It's a game changer. It swallows debris like it has a black hole in its belly, and while the emptying process sounds like a jet preparing for liftoff, it's over quick. Just keep in mind you won't see the cleaning path in real time. iRobot likes to keep a bit of suspense till the end. Hey, that's part of its charm. Number 2. Tineco Floor 1S7 Pro, our pick for best wet-dry vacuum cleaner. If you've ever felt the pain of dragging out your vacuum only to realize you've also got a mop party to throw, your woes are about to be washed away. Enter the Tineco Floor 1S7 Pro, the superhero of household cleaning. This bad boy doesn't just vacuum, it mops too, all while making you feel like a cleaning pro. With the magical eye loop smart sensor, this vacuum instantly spots dirt and adjusts its suction to tackle messes like a champ. Think of it as your personal cleaning assistant, giving you the heads up when your floors are spotless. But wait, there's more. Featuring a long 40-minute runtime, it can conquer hard floors faster than you can say, "Where'd that snack crumb come from?" And let's talk about maintenance. Quick self-cleaning modes mean you're just 2 minutes away from a spick-and-span vacuum. Gross, but oh so satisfying. With 4 modes, yes, 4, to tackle every mess, the Tineco is like having a Swiss Army knife for floors. Equipped with headlights to illuminate hidden dirt, a charging dock for stylish storage, and extras like a brush roll and cleaning solution, cleaning has never been this easy or fun. So, go ahead, unleash your inner cleaning warrior, and let Tineco do the heavy lifting. Your hard floors and your sanity will thank you. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Shark AZ3002 Stratos, our pick for best vacuum cleaner overall. If you're tired of wrestling with a vacuum that acts more like a reluctant dance partner than a cleaning powerhouse, meet your new best friend, the Shark Stratos. This isn't just any vacuum, it's your secret weapon in the battle against dirt and debris, boasting Shark's patented Duo Clean technology. With a dual brush roll system ready to tackle everything from stubborn carpets to sneaky crumbs on hardwood floors, you'll wonder how you ever manage without it. And let's not forget the recent upgrade, a self-cleaning brush roll that's like having a personal maid for your vacuum. It's the maintenance miracle you didn't know you needed, giving you more time for the things you love. The lift-away option is where the magic really happens. Need to clean the stairs or those dark corners that seem to have a gravitational pull for dust bunnies? No problem. With the Stratos, you'll glide through your cleaning tasks with the grace of a ballet dancer. Well, almost. Sure, it could be a little lighter and have better edging capabilities, but let's be honest, those are just minor quibbles when you've got cleaning power like this. In a world that never stops, let the Shark Stratos simplify your cleaning routine. Say goodbye to the drudgery and hello to a cleaner, happier home, because you deserve it. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best vacuum cleaners. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which vacuum cleaner you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.